Warning, this video contains a twat talking about boring video nonsense. Give me my money, you bloody dirty poor people.
So this is just going to be a short little video demonstrating some software that I found called TR Drop. Now you use this software to analyse gameplay footage to see how many frames is lost during gameplay and stuff like that. Since I don't do video games and all that kind of stuff, I decided to see what would happen if I put skate footage through it, and more specifically, ramp slow-mo footage. What the software ended up doing actually was showing me exactly when a slow-mo would start, how slow it would go, and exactly when it would end. I don't know exactly why anyone would actually want to do this, but you can if you want to. It's a free bit of software. So enjoy this little nerdy demonstration footage.